Radhe Radhe to everyone. Welcome you all. Now we will be solving questions for GATE and with some special tricks and some of the notes. Then we will be solving the questions. Now today's topic is to find the maxima and minima of a function of two variables. Now this is the way how to find first derivative, second derivative. It should be 0. Then this fxx is considered as a, this is b, and this is c. Okay. Now f of ab is maximum value when ac minus b square is greater than 0. A is less than 0 or b is also less than 0. Okay. Then it is maximum. Now if your AC minus b square is greater than 0 and a is also greater than 0 and b is also greater than 0, okay, then it is minimum. Then f of ab is not an extremal saddle point if it is less than 0. Okay. Now if it is 0, then the test is inconclusive. Okay. This is the trick. Now then comes is a stationary value. A function fxz is said to be stationary at ab, or f ab is said to be stationary value if f of x ab equals to 0 or f y ab is equals to 0. Okay. Now same thing we'll find here. We'll check here f x's, then f x y or f y and y. Similarly g xx, okay, g xy and g y y. Points are given to us 0 0. So this will be 2 and this will be minus 3x and this will be, sorry 2x भी आएगा ना, this और यहाँ पे plus 2x and this is minus 3x. Now using again AC minus b square, so here it will be 0, so yes, this is saddle point, and here also all points will be counted out and this will also be saddle point. So A option is correct option. This is the easiest question. Now in addition to this we have Lagrange method of undetermined multipliers. जब भी हमें मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम वैल्यू निकालनी होती है कोई भी पॉलिनोमियल की, देयर वी कैन यूज़ लैग्रेंज मेथड ऑफ अनडिटरमाइंड मल्टीप्लायर्स. ठीक है. सपोज वी रिक्वायर टू फाइंड द मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम वैल्यूज ऑफ एफ एक्स वाई वेयर एक्स वाई जेड आर सब्जेक्ट टू अ कंस्ट्रेंट इक्वेशन. ठीक है. दिस इज गिवन टू अस एंड दिस वे वी कैन फाइंड. So doing this question by solving one of the example. Now here what okay, so let takes the dimension is x, y, z. They are the dimension of box. ठीक है. And surface area भी x y plus 2yz plus 2zx. ठीक है. This is the surface area and volume is x, y, z. This is given to us is k. ठीक है. So let us take the auxiliary equation. The auxiliary function f is f x y z lambda is equals to x y plus 2yz plus 2zx plus lambda times x y z minus k. ठीक है. Here lambda is Lagrange multipliers. Lagrange's multiplier. Now we'll find del f over del x. That will be this. ठीक है. And del f over del y x plus 2z plus lambda zx, और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा del f over del z. This will be 2x plus 2y plus lambda x into y. तो f is, when f is extremal, f is extremal, when f is extremal. So here we'll say when your del f over del x is 0, so it will be y plus 2z plus lambda yz equals to 0. So this will be 1 over, this will be 2y equals to minus lambda. ठीक है. And from here we'll have 1 over z plus 2 over x minus lambda. Then it is 2 over this minus lambda. ठीक है. Now we have 3 equations. So on solving these equations, direct writing up will come with the conclusion this. ठीक है. तो from here our k was x y z, so this will be 4z cube. ठीक है. So I hope you like it, and we'll be back with such sessions where concept with question solving can be done. Thank you so much.